My name's Riley Newsom, and I built the back of my truck. Alright, so I built a platform here in the back. Just copied out my bed mat for the template there, and then got 3/4 inch plywood on the bottom that everything's bolted to. Got your fridge slide here, all bolted down, it comes right out, makes it really easy. And then a drawer, it's full length, and I keep all my kind of cooking and general camping stuff here I need to access. So all your cooking stuff, pots, pans, and then stools, cleaning, kitchen, various stuff here. Just makes it really easy. You got all my air stuff here, so air hoses, tire repair kit, deflator, inflator, everything is right here on the side that pulls out. And then all my food storage, so this is all kind of your dry goods, non-refrigerated stuff, all bolted down to L-track. And then got the stove storage on this side, so I keep some water hoses here, and then the stove just pulls right out. You can set it out on the tailgate. So I have buttons here for my lights, which are up top on the tailgate and on the side window. And then I have my water hose hookup here, along with the water pump power. So for the water hose, I just have a little flexible conduit, plugs right in. It's just a quick disconnect fitting, and then you get fresh water. There's a 12-gallon tank in the back, and it runs through a Sawyer water purifier as well, so I can fill it up wherever I need to.
That's badass.
Alright, so we of course have the fridge here, and I'm able to access it through the side window as well if I don't want to open up the whole back. I have the legs and poles for my awning here, so it's easy to get to them. And then storage box, I got some tie down points on the top. And then inside's a water tank, and I keep some recovery stuff and a hot water heater in here as well. Up front, we have my solar controller. So there's a 100-watt solar panel on the roof, and it's all running back to here and then to the batteries. So you have the controller there, then first aid kit next to it, fire extinguisher, you know, everything that's easy to access there on the side. Got a new shell coming, so I'll be getting rid of this in the rooftop tent. So it's going to be a full shell and tent on top, and I'll be able to crawl into the bed and then up into the tent to access it all.
It's in my blood for me to roam. I fake a smile.